Hello everyone and welcome back to How to Become an Educator at Unacademy course. As you know, this is me, my name, and I am studying languages and I teach English and Portuguese. I love teaching and I love even more learning. I think it's what makes teaching special. So, this is lesson 6 of our course, preparing your material. So I'm going to give you some tips about preparing your presentation and mistakes to avoid, okay? Most common mistakes I find. So I'm going to teach you how to structure your lesson and how to prepare slides and handwritten notes. Also some tips, okay? First, how to structure your lesson. It should have between 15 to 20 slides, minimum of 10, okay? The average is you should spend about 30 seconds in each slide. And also you should use the highlighter 3 to 4 times in each. So if you spend 30 seconds in 20 slides, it will be 10 minutes, okay? So it's from 6 to 10 minutes each class, okay? So think about that when you go to structure your lesson. And how to do slides. First thing is you have to use 16:9 resolution. You can change it on page setup because the default is for slides to be 4:3, okay? So you have to change it so it's full screen on mobile view. Slide 1, you can put only your course title, okay? So you just repeat what I did in my lessons and say, welcome to this course, I'm going to talk about this. And the About Me slide is optional in all the lessons, except on Overview. In Overview, you have to do a slide about you. But in the other lessons, you may choose to put it or you can choose not to put it. It's up to you. After that, if you choose to put the About Me slide, you have to add one slide with the lesson objectives, okay? So you can use phrases like, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to. Okay, so your students will be motivated to watch it, all the lesson, and they will know what to expect from this 6 to 10 minute lesson, okay? And in the end of your lesson, you should add a thanks for watching slide, okay? Where you can say, comment down below, rate, review, follow me, this kind of stuff, okay? That's a very useful tip. Now about templates. How to choose your template. Please be careful when choosing your template, okay? Don't choose the too colorful ones. You can see the template I have used here. It's white background, black letters, and a little blue on top, okay? So please be careful. Don't choose yellow or orange or purple or brown or green, okay? Choose a clear background and black or really dark letters, okay? Even if it's black on the background and white letters, it becomes tiring for the people who are watching to keep reading it. So if you don't know which template to use, just use white background and black letters, okay? Please don't choose yellow and blue. And again, there's nothing wrong with orange, yellow, and red. But go for the most neutral and cold tones, or else your presentation won't be much attractive, okay? The person opens your lesson and first thing he or she sees is a bright yellow background or a bright red background. So it's not attractive, okay? Yellow and red colors are good for McDonald's, fast food marketing, not for online lessons, okay? Font. What font to use? Choose a simple and readable font, okay? Please, please, please. again, there's nothing wrong with these handwritten notes, handwritten font, sorry. But you can see how hard it is to read it in slides, especially if people are using a mobile phone, mobile device, or cell phone. It's really hard for us to read. Okay, so save these handwritten fonts for your wedding invitations. In your slides, stick to the simple ones. Okay, please, please. And please use a big letter size, so it's easy to read and to underline. Not only for us to read, but if you choose a little sized letter, when you take your highlighter and you want to underline, you won't be able to. The letter is too small. And you'll only be able to do that if you don't put too much text in one slide. So please use little text. So be careful with the resolution of your images. Don't choose bad quality images. And use only copyright-free material. Okay? Don't use someone else's slides, someone else's images, okay? It's against the law. And about handwritten notes, they can be very helpful if you're teaching equations, if you're using graphics, if you want to use drawings. And the structure of the lesson is the same. It's 15 to 20 slides or handwritten notes, and it's 6 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's the same. And you can use both slides and notes. You can mix them. You can use one slide, one note, one slide, one note. Or you can insert your handwriting in your slides, so you can draw a graphic and you can take a picture or scan it and put it inside your slides, okay? So that's another tip. But be careful with your handwriting and the quality of the images. Handwriting can be most difficult to read than slides, okay? So be careful if it's readable. And the quality of your photos, try to take good pictures of your notes without any shadows or any shine, or scan it. Also be careful with pen colors. For example, if you use a yellow pen over white paper, nobody's gonna be able to read it, okay? So the same tips for slides you can use for handwritten notes. Be careful with colors, with handwriting. And that was it for today's lesson, and thank you for watching. Please rate, review, leave your comments down below if you agree, if you disagree, if you have any questions, and follow me so you can see my next lessons and my next courses, okay? That was it for today's lesson. Thank you and goodbye.